You think you've seen the Cybertruck before, but you've never seen it like this. What happens when one of the most disruptive vehicles on the planet gets an unapologetically wild makeover by one of the boldest names in automotive customization? Enter the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck Elongation EVO Full Carbon by Mansory, a jaw-dropping fusion of futuristic utility, insane performance, and hyper-luxury, all wrapped in carbon fiber. This isn't just a truck anymore. This is a statement, a beast, a revolution on wheels. Mansory is known for pushing boundaries, from exotic supercars to ultra-luxe SUVs. But what they've done with the Cybertruck isn't just tuning, it's transformation. The first thing that hits you is the full carbon bodywork. Not a wrap, not accents. This is full-blown carbon fiber, engineered with meticulous precision. It's aggressive, it's sculpted, and it turns the already radical Cybertruck into something that looks like it drove straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster and onto the Autobahn. The elongated body isn't just for show, it redefines presence. The extended dimensions make the Cybertruck EVO feel more like a luxury land yacht with military-grade attitude. It stretches beyond the traditional pickup silhouette into a territory that's never been explored before. Part supertruck, part hyper SUV, part spaceship. From the front, Mansory's custom front fascia adds sharpness and menace with redesigned LED light elements and aero-optimized carbon intakes. The hood, also carbon, boasts deeper contours that echo performance design language usually reserved for six-figure Italian exotics. The side profile features razor-cut lines, custom-forged wheels, think 24-inch carbon-infused alloys, and wider fenders that amplify the truck's already imposing stance. And at the rear, a revised diffuser and integrated aero wing complete the look, turning the Cybertruck EVO into something that wouldn't look out of place chasing down a villain in a high-budget action film. Step inside, and the transformation is just as extreme. But here, it's all about luxury. The cabin has been completely reimagined by Mansory's artisans. Hand-stitched full-grain leather seats replace Tesla's minimalist utility with first-class opulence. Ambient lighting is custom-tuned, bathing the interior in a soft, customizable glow that sets the mood from elegant to electric. A bespoke carbon fiber center console runs through the cabin, featuring a rebuilt interface that fuses Tesla's tech DNA with Mansory's luxurious flair. And it's not just style, it's tech-forward luxury. The upgraded infotainment system still runs on Tesla's robust software, but Mansory adds in layers of customization, enhanced audio systems, and ultra-responsive touchscreen controls with custom graphics. Every control surface, every button, every touch point is designed to feel not just premium, but uniquely yours. But don't let the carbon body and plush seats fool you. Under the skin, this beast is still a Cybertruck at heart, and that means performance that defies logic. With tri-motor all-wheel drive configuration, the Elongation EVO rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just under 2.9 seconds. That's supercar speed in a vehicle with the footprint of a small yacht. The suspension has been tuned for both agility and comfort. Mansory's rework of the air suspension system allows for multiple ride heights and drive modes, offering everything from off-road capability to city cruising elegance. Whether you're navigating sand dunes, urban jungles, or coastal highways, the EVO doesn't just adapt, it dominates. But perhaps the most insane part of the Cybertruck EVO is the customization. Mansory offers bespoke interior trims, rare material finishes, and a completely personalized paint or carbon weave finish. You're not just buying a vehicle, you're commissioning a one-off piece of automotive art. Want gold-threaded stitching? Done. Want a matching carbon luggage set that fits perfectly in the trunk? They've thought of that too. Even the roof can be configured. Panoramic glass or optional solar boost panels for added energy efficiency. This is a machine that merges brute power with environmental innovation in a way only Tesla and Mansory could imagine together. And for those who crave exclusivity, here's the deal. This isn't mass production. Each Cybertruck EVO is individually built for its owner, ensuring no two are the same. It's not just rare, it's nearly mythical. This project is more than just another luxury vehicle. It's a glimpse into where performance, luxury, and tech are headed. And it's very clear that the future won't be subtle. It'll be bold, loud, carbon-clad, and unapologetically wild. So if you're the kind of driver who doesn't follow trends but creates them, if your garage is home to supercars, private jets, or anything that requires a runway rather than a driveway, this is your next obsession. The 2025 Tesla Cybertruck Elongation EVO Full Carbon by Mansory isn't just a new chapter. It's a whole new book in the story of automotive innovation. If you've made it this far, then you already know. This machine isn't for everyone, but for the few who understand what it really represents, it's a masterpiece. Hit like if you're as stunned as we are. Drop a comment and tell us, if you had the keys to the Cybertruck EVO, where's the first place you'd take it? And don't forget to subscribe, because this is just the beginning of a new era in electric performance. Thanks for watching. See you in the future.